Well, it's a story that's gripped the nation for some months now, and political parties have been reacting, and they agree that those responsible must be held accountable. The Social Development Portfolio Committee and SCOPA have welcomed the ruling.
The judgment is a vindication of everything that we as SCOPA have said about this problem, that this is a self-created problem. So we're happy that it is going to be as short as possible, 12 months. We're also happy about the safeguarding of the personal data of grant beneficiaries.
We'll sit, listen to study the judgment, listen to the department, and they should present the plan, how they are going to implement and comply.
Core state functions ought to be carried out by state entities and not outsourced to the private sector. Furthermore, as the ANC will ensure that those that brought us to the point that we're at right now, in terms of the actions or lack thereof, will be held accountable.
It's very sad that the courts had to come out and exercise oversight over the executive and find that Minister Dlamini and SASSA did not do their job properly. This is absolutely scandalous.
Where we've been vindicated that the court has made a finding that the Minister and SASSA did very little to try and resolve this problem. In fact, they went further to say that since October last year, she did not even look into the fitness of SASSA to continue. She should be held personally responsible for the costs.
I think it's very important that at the end of the day, the Minister must pay the cost of all the legal costs, and she must take the blame for all of this.
The fact is that the groundwork has now been laid for us to get to the truth of what exactly happened in this whole situation. The Minister will have to come to court, appear there, and come and account to the court, which he refuses to do to Parliament and the legislature.
This judgment saves and salvages all of us, all South Africans, from a very disastrous situation. A situation that emanated from incompetence and failure by the Minister and the department